This game will help you grow and evolve as a person, as a professional, and as a team much faster. But before we enter this amazing game, this vitamin C of personal growth and evolution for you and your team, I have a confession to make. I also was part of the dark ages of negative communication. When something was good, I would say, it's not bad. When something went really well, I would say, it's not a problem. Bad, problem, negative, 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 negative. And I get it. Do you know this movie? Have you seen Inside Out? With this little girl and the 5 emotions in her head, joy and the other 4 negative emotions like fear and disgust, wrath. It's survival, guys. It's survival. It helped us survive negative emotions, but they're not helping us with personal growth and evolution. And here comes the problem, my friend. What is the catapult of personal growth and evolution? It's feedback. But feedback is communication, and since communication is so negative, because communication is all the time negative, bad and problem, our feedback is negative. Think about it. You never say, you could have done better if you had. You say, what I didn't like is, what was missing is. You speak too loud, too soft, too something. This is a lot. It's always negative. And what's the consequence? The result in companies? And I've worked at the time of this recording in 168 corporate clients, including Jägermeister. No feedback, no feedback, no feedback culture. And how could there be a culture? On one side, people don't want to receive feedback because it's negative. Who wants to be told negative stuff about themselves? This sucks. And on the other side, nobody provides feedback because this would mean I hurt the feelings of my colleagues and they don't want to do that, so they don't give feedback. Nobody wants feedback, nobody provides feedback, no feedback culture because it's negative. But there is another way possible. Plus and plus plus. Plus everything you did well and why. Plus plus everything you can do better in the future and how. It is positive and constructive feedback. Negativity out completely. People never feel they did something wrong. They feel, hey man, I can do something better in the future. And that is when they accept feedback. This is when people start to give feedback. This is when people ask for feedback. And that is a cultural shift. But there is still a small issue here. Our negativity problem bad. You remember? I learned in the end, feedback, to give feedback, to receive feedback, it's also a, skill. You want to train it, you have to train it, and you can train it with this game. Plus, the feedback game is a playful way to learn the skill of giving and receiving positive and constructive feedback. It's made for 3 to 6 players. It's great for corporate teams. Agile coaches can use it. It's team building. You will bond more. You learn a lot about your colleagues. It's playful. And it's always with challenges to give positive and constructive feedback. All negativity out. There's this little thing that makes it so funny. Whenever you say something negative, you receive a minus reward. And guess who wins in the end? The game. Yeah. Figure it out yourself. Below you find my LinkedIn account. Contact me, send me a mail, and I send you the free version of the first version. It's a do-it-yourself version. You can print it out, DIN A3, print it out yourself, play it. I'm really looking forward to your feedback, of course. And when you play this game and again in your teams and give and receive positive, constructive feedback, you will grow and evolve personally and professionally and as a team.